Hi, my friends! Have you ever struggled to get your pastry cream just right? Pastry cream is a staple in so many amazing desserts like cream puffs, tarts, and more. But sometimes it can be tricky to get it just thick enough without being runny. Well, not anymore. I'm sharing my favorite authentic Italian pastry cream recipe with you. It's so thick and creamy, your pastries will be begging to be eaten. Let's get started. Here are the simple ingredients you'll need. 160 g flour 00 or all-purpose flour, 400 g granulated sugar, 10 egg yolks, 1 liter of milk, the whole zest or grated zest of 2 organic lemons, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. In a mixing bowl, combine the sugar and flour. In a separate large bowl, lightly beat the eggs until they're fluffy. Gradually add the flour mixture to the beaten eggs. Stir constantly with a spatula to ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. Slowly add the room temperature milk. Mix thoroughly after each addition until well combined. Pour the mixture into a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Add the fresh lemon zest for flavor. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the mixture comes to a boil. Remove the zest once thickening begins. Once boiling, cook for an additional minute, stirring continuously. Remove the saucepan from the heat and transfer the mixture to a chilled container. Stir in the salt and vanilla for a burst of flavor. Continue mixing as the temperature decreases to 50 degrees Celsius, using a cooking thermometer for accuracy. No thermometer? Mix for 5 to 6 minutes or until it's no longer hot. Cover and allow to cool completely before use. Enjoy your creamy and thick pastry cream.